Okay, good morning students. Yesterday we discussed about scientific method. This method followed by the scientist. In this method, 5 steps are there. One is observation and ask questions. Second one is form a hypothesis. Form a hypothesis. Third one is plan an experiment. Plan an experiment. Fourth one is conduct experiment. Conduct the experiment. Fifth one is draw conclusions. Draw conclusions. These are the 5 steps in this method. Who followed the method? Scientists followed the method. In this lesson, we example some experiments are there. That example is Arvind conduct this method. He hypothesized that which soil works sowing of bean seeds. Which soil best sowing for bean seeds. Question in this first step, which soil is the best sowing for bean seeds. Form a hypothesis that in his mind potting soil is the best soil. Plan an experiment, conduct an experiment, draw conclusions. We discuss about. Arvind, the question is, which is the best soil for bean seeds? First of all, he collect the identical 3 bean seeds. Identical 3 bean seeds. And also, he collect the 3 types of soil. That is sandy soil, clay soil, potting soil. But plan an experiment, some factors influence of the experiment. These are called variables. Variables means any factor to disturb the experiment. These are called variables. We control the variables. Sunlight, water, temperature, etc. In this experiment, variables are sunlight, water, temperature, such type of factors are there. We control the variables. He cut the 3 parted. We put in the soil, sandy soil, clay soil, potting soil. We collect the 3 identical bean seeds sowing in each potting flower pot, and we add same amount of water. These potted flowering pots in the presence of sunlight. He record the height of the plant every 3 days. Sandy soil, clay soil, potting soil. First 3 days. The plant height is sandy soil part 1.8 centimeters, 1.7 centimeters, 1.5 centimeters, 1.8 centimeters. Next 6 days, that means every 3 days, 2 centimeters, 1.7 centimeters, 1.8 centimeters. Arvind hypothesized that potting soil is the best for bean seeds. But in his experiment, sandy soil is the best for bean seeds. He hypothesized is wrong. This is the method of scientific method. Scientists followed these steps. For example, Arvind collect the information, conduct the experiment, conclude the experiment, success or not. This is the scientific method.